Hi guys, in front of me is POCO M8 and let me show you how to use codes on this device. So if you want to open some hidden modes, just enter your phone gallery at first, and here you can smoothly enter the codes. The first one that I want to show is pretty short, it's *#06#, and this one will provide you with the device information like IMEI or serial numbers. Tap on OK. Then you can use another code connected with events. Just enter *#, *225, #*, and here you've got the calendar info. If you do have any calendar added to your device, it will be all included right here. As you can see, I don't have any account added here. And another code that you can use is *#, *4636, and here you've got the tester mode. So you've got phone info for first and the second SIM and Wi-Fi details. Under phone information you will be able to find IMEI number, current network, signal strength, roaming, voice service, voice network type, and so on. Here you can run a peek test if you want to. The same stuff you will find under phone info the second, and under Wi-Fi details you've got Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration and Wi-Fi status, and also under Wi-Fi status you will be able to run a ping test and check the Wi-Fi stats. So that's it. And the last code that I would like to show you today is *#, *426, ***, and here we've got FCM diagnostic panel in which you can check events and status. Tap on more icon to see advanced view if you want. So that's it. Enjoy, explore your device more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.